Hi, I'm Crystal. Happy Easter and welcome to E Prime. Activities marking the 70th birthday celebrations for the legendary Bunny Wailer continue into next week with the launch of the Respect Cause campaign. This initiative is a collaboration between Jamaica and South Africa on ganja rights, for which Bunny Wailer is an ambassador. The launch will take place on April 20, with events continuing on April 22 with the Bunny Wailer Tribute One Love concert, marking the 39th anniversary of the One Love Peace Concert of 1978. As we close our tribute features on the living legend, we share this Bunny Wailer fact. Did you know that his Blackheart Man album was released in 1976, backed by Marley, Tosh and the New Wailers Band? It was hailed as a masterpiece because of the album's cryptic lyrics, which helped to solidify his rebel image. In 1982, Bunny Wailer organized the Christmas Day Youth Consciousness Festival in Kingston, featuring himself, Peter Tosh, Jimmy Cliff, Marcia Griffiths, Judy Mowat, and the Wailers Band. Hope this one gets you skanking. Here's Bunny Wailer with Ballroom Floor.
That's what happened when you go back to it gets sweet. You're locked so tight, you don't even know when it's morning. The music's so right, you don't even care about this at all.
Unity in the City promises the ultimate gospel experience for everyone. The event is aimed at spreading unity across the country and happens this Easter Monday. Anticipations are high for Bacchanal Beach Juve, which takes place on Saturday at a new venue. Revelers will make their way to the Grizzlies Plantation Cove in St. Anne for the full Juve experience. This year's staging will feature soca stars Destra, Farmer Nappy, top soca DJs Euphoric, Richie Ras and Smoke. And that's it for the weekend edition of E Prime. I'm Crystal. Thank you for watching.